Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Gerrit Benjamin de Vos. I'm the third officer on board the Zuiderdam and welcome to the bridge tour. At the moment we're here on the bridge wing. The bridge wing is the point where we normally maneuver the ship close to the dock. This is the point where you can see everything outside very well. The whole side of the ship is very good visible. On board we have two azipods. Azipods we use for the main propulsion. We can turn them around 360 degrees to whatever position we want to maneuver the ship. At the moment we're at the chart table. We have on board electronic charts and also paper charts. We still use paper charts to verify our position in comparison with the electronic chart. This is the logbook right here. Every officer of the watch writes down what's happened during the watch to verify later. We got here the Quartermaster and the pilot here. The pilot is on board here to navigate us through the passages. The pilot is giving orders to the Quartermaster, which will follow it with the hand steering.
Come to 160.
160. Over here we got all the radio distress communication systems to get in contact with the shoreside in case of a real emergency. Here in the safety console we have all the safety equipment all in two computers. The safety computer and the Solwico computer, which is all the smoke and fire detectors on board. We can see here every detector, and we will get an alarm here if there's a fire detector going off. From here on we can monitor and operate all the fire doors. We can close them one by one, or we can close them all together. On board we have the power sound telephones. These phones we can get in contact with the ECR in case of an emergency. Hello?
Hello, my name is Bart Roderijs, Chief Engineer on the Zuiderdam. I would like to show you the control room and part of the engine room. Here in the control room we can check everything and we can regulate most of the items. This ship is equipped with 5 engines. Engine 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and a gas turbine, giving the ship a total of 88,000 horsepower. All engines are driving generators, and the generators produce 11,000 volts, which is shown on the line here, 11,000 the main bus line, and from here it is being transformed down to 220 volt and 110 volt, 24 volt. This is engine number 1, where you can see the crankshaft and all the main bearing temperatures. This is a screen of the cooling water temperatures, with over here and here all the outlet temperatures per cylinder. The 2 propulsion power levers are controlled from the bridge, but all the automation connected to the whole propulsion system is being controlled from here. Also we can control other things, like over here fuel supply, but then there's water supply, steam supply, air supply. Engine control room, I'm on my way. Now we will enter the main engine room. This is one of the engines. We have, as I said, 316s and 312 producing 1000 horsepower per cylinder. There's a total of 72 cylinders, so that's 70,000 horsepower. This is the boiler producing steam, and the steam is being used for heating the fuel, heating water and heating the air which is going to all the cabins. This is one of the main switchboards, and what you see over here are all 11,000 volt breakers. This is a gas turbine producing 18,000 horsepower. These are purifiers or centrifuges used to clean the lubrication oil on the small ones and the fuel oil in the big ones. Here the AC compressors, there are 4. In Alaska we use 1 and in the Caribbean 3. One of the stabilizers, which basically is like a airplane wing. We pump them out and it keeps the ship more or less straight. These are bioreactors. In the bioreactors we grow bugs, and those bugs, they eat the raw sewage and break it down into water and solids. The refrigeration compressors, which are needed to cool out all our storerooms. One of the propulsion motors, or so-called AC-pod, which is basically a giant outboard motor. You can see the steering gears, which turn the whole AC-pod, and when needed we can turn the AC-pod 360 degrees.